Bonjour et bienvenue sur EzeeFrench. Today we'll take a deep dive into the verb être, which means to be. This is one of the most important verbs in French. In fact, you'll use it every single day, whether you're talking about yourself, describing others, or expressing identity. Why être is important? In English, to be is everywhere. For example, I am happy. She is a teacher. We are friends. French is no different. To say the same things in French, you need être. Without être, you cannot introduce yourself properly, you cannot describe feelings or professions, and you cannot even build simple sentences. Conjugation of être. Let's go step by step. I will say the form, you repeat after me. Je suis. Example, je suis étudiant. I am a student. Another example, je suis fatigué. I am tired. Tu es. Example, tu es gentil. You are kind. Another example, tu es mon ami. You are my friend. Remember, tu is informal. Use it with friends, family, or children. Il est. Elle est. Example, il est professeur. He is a teacher. Example, elle est française. She is French. Nous sommes. Example, nous sommes heureux. We are happy. Another example, nous sommes étudiants. We are students. Vous êtes. Example, vous êtes professeur. You are a teacher. Remember, vous can mean you formal or you plural. Use vous with strangers, with your boss, or when speaking politely. Ils sont. Elles sont. Example, ils sont fatigués. They are tired. Example, elles sont contentes. They are happy. Feminine group. Pronunciation tips. Suis equals suis. Est equals est, not es. Et equals est. The T is silent. Et equals et, with a sharp T. Sont equals sont. Don't pronounce the T. Examples in context. Let's practice with full sentences. Repeat after me. Je suis content. I am happy. Tu es mon ami. Elle est au cinéma. Nous sommes à la maison. Vous êtes très gentil. Ils sont en vacances. Cultural note. In everyday French, people often use c'est, meaning it is or that's. For example, c'est un professeur. That's a teacher. Or c'est Marie. That's Marie. But when you describe nationality or profession without an article, use il est or elle est. Example, elle est médecin. She is a doctor. Common mistakes. X, je suis froid. Wrong. It means I am cold in personality. See, to say I feel cold, you must use avoir froid. Another mistake, X, tu es. Wrong. See, the correct form is tu es. Practice drills. Let's go through the full conjugation. Repeat after me. Je suis. Tu es. Il est. Elle est. Nous sommes. Vous êtes. Ils sont. Elles sont. Fill in the blanks. Marie est française. Nous sommes étudiants. Tu es mon frère. Ils sont contents. Now translation practice. She is happy. Elle est contente. We are tired. Nous sommes fatigués. You, formal, are a doctor. Vous êtes médecin. Many role play. Bonjour, je m'appelle Pierre. Je suis étudiant. Bonjour, je suis Claire. Nous sommes dans la même classe. Tu es française? Oui, je suis française. Et toi? Je suis canadien. Recap. You learned the full conjugation of être. You practiced pronunciation, examples, and dialogues. You also discovered the difference between c'est and il est. Now your challenge. Write 5 sentences in the comments using être. For example, je suis étudiant. Elle est française. Nous sommes contents. Merci d'avoir suivi cette leçon avec EzeeFrench. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this lesson with a friend. In the next lesson, lesson 11, we'll discover the verb avoir, which means to have. You'll also learn everyday expressions like j'ai faim, I am hungry, and j'ai peur, I am scared. This will help you sound much more natural in French conversations. See you in lesson 11 with EzeeFrench.